Okay guys, if icons missing from start menu on Windows 11, here is the solution. So you need to right click on this and click on Task Manager, expand it and find Windows Explorer. So click on it, right click and click on Restart, and it should fix the problem. There is also another way on how you can do this. So click on Start menu. Here you need to go to click on all apps. Yeah, click on it, and from here you can select app what you would like to pin. Right click on it and click on pin to start. One of the options, you can simply drag and drop these icons here, so and it will move like this. So as you can see here, yeah, for example, unpin. Let's move a little bit. As you can see, it's so drag and drop and it will work again. Okay guys, so hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like, subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye.